Assalamu alaikum, grade 3. How are you? Hope so fine, everyone. This is the summary video for today lesson. Subject Science, Learner Book, Class 3, Unit 1, Looking After Plants, Lesson 1.4 from your Learner Book, Plant Growth and Temperature. Learner Book, page number 13. Learner Book, page number 13. And your homework for today, your activity book, page number 10. So now open your learner book, page number 13. When you're watching summary, open your book and revise. So let's start. First of all, learning objective. Today you know that plant growth is affected by temperature. Plant growth is affected by temperature. If temperature change also affect on your plant. And then we solve question from the learner book. So on your learner book you can see this page. If the plant in rainforest, so what how they grow. If in a warm place, if temperature is good, so how plant grow? Everything it's availed, so how your plant can grow easily. This is a rainforest. Many plants find it easy to grow here. It is warm, but not too hot, and also not too cold, and there is plenty of water, so plant can survive here easily. This think about the place you live. Like in Taif, is there enough warmth for plants to grow? Yes, in Taif, like other city like Mecca, Jeddah, Riyadh, Taif is better than there, and not too hot and also not too cold. So here uh, we can say Taif is a warm place and plant can grow here. So when is the warmest time of the year? At the end I will discuss first. Uh, tell you about these slides. At over 56, too hot weather and too cold weather, too cold temperature you can say. At over 56 degrees Celsius, Death Valley in sorry, Death Valley in America is one of the hottest places on earth. Yes, this one in America, Death Valley name, and it's so hot, 56 degree. It's a very hot temperature. So you can see here there is no any kind of plant. It also cannot survive here. At 89 minus 89 degrees Celsius, and Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth. Also, you can see here complete snow. Okay, a snowy place. So here plant can survive? Obviously not. Plant cannot survive in very cold place and also not in very hot place. Now, when is the warmest time of year? Yes, in the year we have 12 months. So when is the warmest time for the year? So you can say for most of the country, the warmest day or time or month occurred sometime between mid-July and mid-August. You have summer vacation, okay, for what? Because of hot weather. So our warmest day are coming mid-July and mid-August. Not it's cold, okay. These 2 months are we can say hot weather or you can say hot weather or hot summer. So that's why we have summer vacation because of weather warm. And like this, when is the coldest time? Hottest time or warmest time for the year? July and August. And what is the coldest? When is the coldest time of the year? The coldest time of the year is in late December, mean last 10 days, last 8 day of December and January. Okay, these both month almost you can say coldest month, and after then February end start a weather change. Okay, I'm repeating coldest time December and December and January month, and hottest time this one hottest time July and August. Now we solve Questions from your learner book. Where do plants grow best? Cold places, hot places, or warm places? In cold places, I told you, plant cannot grow well. Hot places also no. Warm places, yes. So our answer, warm places. So on warm places, in warm places, plants can grow best. Another question, what happens when a plant gets too hot? What happens when a plant gets too hot? So what happened? A plant begins to wilt. I told you before this and show you slide of wilt. What's wilt? A plants begin to wilt and eventually die if it gets too hot. If it gets too hot, so it will die. First of all, start wilting and then at the end it will die. Why? Because of too hot weather. So it cannot survive in too hot weather. Question number 3. How is plant growth affected by temperature? Yes, if the temperature is too hot, a plant cannot survive. Like this, if temperature is too cold, a plant cannot survive. So we write the answer. Plants cannot grow if the temperature is too hot, too high, or too low. If temperature is too high or too low, plant cannot grow or survive. Okay, it's a worksheet. In the class we done this. Just write the temperature. This one thermometer. Okay, you can see here different scales. Just check properly and write here. We done it. Number one, 21 temperature 21. This one showing 21 temperature, normal temperature, not too hot. This one showing 20. This one showing 20, no, not 20, 12 or 10. Yes, 10. You can see here. It's 10. Just you see this black liquid where it stops. Okay. So temperature it's 10. Another slide. From down it's minus 10 until here 0, and then going up it will change into plus. So this one showing us 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here 15. This one showing 12. This one showing 22. This one less than 20, 18. This one less than 10, 4. Not minus, 4. This one 3. And vocabulary word for today, just write this vocabulary word on your notebook and try to read. Rain, forest, warmest, hottest, coldest, and earth. And your homework, I told you before, activity book page number 10. Activity book page number 10. And revise your classwork and memorize vocabulary. And write on your notebook. Okay, boys, take care. Assalamu alaikum.